Hello students, welcome back to St. Thomas High School, Surat. I am Minawani, your EVS teacher, wishes you good morning and once again starts with our semester 2, chapter 1, part 2. Today's our topic is organs in our body. There are many organs inside our body. They are called internal organs. We cannot see them, but they work all the time for us to do the various activities. In this topic, we are going to study about 4 organs: brain, heart, lungs and stomach. Our first important organ is brain. Brain, it lies inside our head at the topmost part of our body. What does brain do? What the brain help us to think. सोचने के लिए मदद करता है हमको. We can take the decisions with the help of our brain. It tells us what to do and what not to do. What is correct and what is wrong. This decision we can take with our brain. So it is very important part of our body. Our second important organ is heart. Heart, it is the organ which pumps blood to all parts of our body. Each part of the body must get blood to do its work. If the heart stops pumping, so that we are dead. If the heart stops working, we are dead. So heart is the very important part of our body. It pumps blood, it gives bloods to different part of our body. Our third important organ is lungs. We have 2 lungs in our chest. Inside our chest we have 2 lungs, right lung and left lung. Lungs, they are just like balloons. Lungs help us to breathe. If we fill air inside the balloon, it will blow, it will become larger, and if we take out air, remove air from the balloon, it will again become small. In the same way, when we breathe in air, when we take in the lungs become larger, and when we exhale, when we give out air, they again become smaller. In this way, lungs help us to breathe. We cannot live if we do not breathe. Our next important organ is stomach. Stomach is another important organ of our body. What does it do? What does it do? It helps us to digest the food we eat. So many times children complain that the stomach is paining. If we do not eat properly food, we do not chew the food properly. If we eat more food, or sometimes our stomach is empty, both the time we have children have stomach pain. So we must chew the food properly and eat properly, so that the stomach does its work. What does stomach do? Stomach breaks down the food into again small pieces. Once while we eat, we chew it, but again stomach break it into again small tiny pieces, and it convert it into juices. The body gets energy from the food we eat. The different juices, they give energy to our body to do the different types of work. If food is not digested, the body will not get energy to work. So it is a very important organ of our body, and we must take very good care of the stomach also. Our next topic is uses of various parts of our body. We can see in the picture that various parts of our body help us to do the various activities. Our hand help us to play, our legs help us to walk, to jump, our hand help us to eat food, our mouth help us to talk. So these are the various parts of the body which help us to do the various activities. In the first picture you can see the children is playing with the ball. Second picture shows the child is playing cricket. The third picture shows the children are swimming. The fourth picture shows the child is eating food with his hand. So these all body parts help us to do the various activities. In this slide, you can see the children are cycling, playing football, skipping, flying kite and swinging in the garden. So this all the children are playing in the garden and doing various activities with all their body parts. But our body is such a wonderful machine, so we should take very good care of our body. What should we do? We should sit with our back straight. We should sit with our back straight. We should not slump. We should not lie down on the table when we are sitting on the desk with the table and the chair. We should not lie down or sleep on the. It will make our back. It will harm our back. Our back needs support. It gives supports to our body. Take good care of our body. We should take care of all the external parts of our body such as nose, ears, eyes, mouth. In this way, we should take care of our whole body. We should eat healthy food, take fresh air, do regular exercise to keep our body healthy and fit. This slide shows different pictures how to take care of our body. In the first picture shows two children are there. One child is sitting with his back straight. That is the correct position to sit on the table and the chair. The second picture shows the two children are brushing their teeth. Both children should brush. Children or elders, they must brush their teeth twice in a day to keep them cavity away. So the third picture shows that we must eat healthy fruits and vegetables to keep our body healthy and strong. Here the fourth picture shows the children are doing yoga, regular exercise to keep their body healthy. In this way, we should take very good care of our body and keep it fit and free from all the different infection and disease. I hope you have understood this. Students, I hope you understood the topic. We'll stop here. Thank you. We'll meet soon.